What is this? She's Padma Joshi from NDTV. She defends a pedophile, a serial rapist, and sex trafficker and murderer like she defends Modi. She has no regard for the rights and safety of women and children. She used to be a journalist. Now she's a mouthpiece for Epstein. What the fuck?
His job
No, he was
is
not
basically a power broker. It was literally his job.
No, he was not a power broker. He was a pedophile.
Sir, he was a pedophile.
Also
Who's a power broker. He was doing things on the side, but basically he was a power broker. He used to introduce.
She's like, don't focus on the pedophile thing. He was a power broker. तो साइड पे उसका काम था, करने दो ना, आपको क्या है? What the fuck, bitch? What the fuck?
Pedophile. He was a rapist.
He was a pedophile rapist power broker. But power broker.
Their focus is on power broker. They're like, आप उस पे क्यों इतना ध्यान दे रहे हो? इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस इस पे थोड़ी, तो बच्चे ही तो चोता था. कोई बड़ी बात थोड़ी है. पावर ब्रोकर था. That's the real thing. Where the money is, money. ये लोग कैसे अलाउड कैसे हैं ये लोग यार टू बी ऑन स्क्रीन टू रिप्रेजेंट पीपल लाइक दैट.
पैसे तो वो पावर ब्रोकिंग करके कमा रहा था ना.
Don't let him go away.
यार लिटरली शी टॉक्स अबाउट मनी. यार पैसे तो वो पावर ब्रोकर बन के कमा रहा था ना. ये पैसा इज इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? एवरीथिंग एल्स कैन गो फक इटसेल्फ.
पैसे तो वो पावर ब्रोकिंग करके.
इस लॉजिक से तो उसामा बिन लादेन भी तो इंजीनियर था. बहुत वाला कमेंट ब्रो. किसने लिखा ये? बहुत कुत्ता कमेंट लिख दिया भाई. डेविड डेक्स्टर, बहुत वाला ब्रो. उसामा बिन लादेन भी तो सिविल इंजीनियर था. हाँ, टेररिज्म करता था, 2-3 बिल्डिंगें गिराई थी, पर था पैसे तो वो सिविल इंजीनियर से बनाता. बिल्डिंग कंपनी थी, कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी से पैसे बनाता ना. था तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर.
कमा रहा था ना.
Don't let him go away.
I am not letting him go away. He's dead anyway. Who am I to let him go away? The man is dead.
Let me read what Hardeep Puri has written to the read.
Okay, since you.
जुनेद अकरम क्या कर रहा है इन लोगों के बीच में? जुनेद अकरम विदाउट हेयर, जुनेद अकरम विथ हेयर, ओल्डर जुनेद अकरम. There are 3 South Indian Junaid Akram. There are 4 Junaid Akrams on this panel, bro. What the fuck is going on? This is him. This is him with hair. This is him without hair, older. This is him with hair, older. What the fuck is going on?
Since you said, just a second. Okay, I really need to open this up, but we must stick to the straight and narrow when it comes to facts.
Jeffrey's taste in people. That means Jeffrey.
Crying face
Parag, that's stupid. That's silly. मेरा नाम एक ही बार है उस फाइल में, और सिर्फ इसलिए था कि मैं एक दफा गया था बस आइलैंड देखने के लिए. मुझे शौक है स्विमिंग करने का, समंदर देखने का. मुझे बच्चों का कोई शौक नहीं है, सिर्फ समंदर का शौक है. So I only went there one time. मेरा नाम सिर्फ एक दफा पूरी फाइल में, इसके अलावा नहीं.
Hardeep knew.
Okay, so let me just again bring this conversation back to actual facts. Jeffrey Epstein was convicted of major crimes like.
एप्स्टाइन तो ऐसे बोल रही है जैसे वो आइंस्टाइन था. जेफरी एप्स्टाइन, almost as great as एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. दोनों मेरे फेवरेट पर्सनालिटीज थे, बड़े बड़े काम करते थे. एक साइंटिस्ट था और दूसरा पावर ब्रोकर था. Oh my god, this lady is crazy, man. This lady is out of her mind.
Jeffrey Epstein was convicted of major crimes like pedophilia, of raping underage girls, all of that. But the fact
Trafficking,
also
sex trafficking.
is that he had a separate life. Professionally, he was a power broker. He used to introduce one.
Yes, and you need to separate the art with the artist, guys. Just because R. Kelly was peeing on little girls doesn't mean his songs are bad, guys. We have to separate, guys. He was essentially a power broker. अब वो छोटी मोटी चीजें साइड पे तो होती रहती है. आप भी करते हैं, मैं भी करती हूँ, हम सब करते हैं. Is this lady out of her mind, bro?
Person to the other. It was his job to keep track of what is happening in the corridors of power, and any mention.
And that's
by
what
him or
matters.
Any individual doesn't mean that individual naturally was going to his island or was involved in any kind of sexual.
Wow, man. Good job, lady. Way to go.